Hi, I'm Mark Kingham, and I'm an integrative sports medicine chiropractor, also specializing in sports nutrition. I run a clinic in the UK, in Leeds, called Spine Care in Motion, and I obviously integrate MLS and Hilterapia in my clinical practice. So I decided to integrate MLS and Hilterapia in my clinical practice to provide an innovative treatment approach. My clinical practice is driven by innovation, not just in the way that we think and treat, but also in the technology that we use. Thanks to the UK distributors, Celtic SMR, I was able to utilize the device on a 4-week trial, which allowed me to see real results when I first started using laser therapy. And this has continued throughout my clinical practice, seeing improved patient outcomes and patient satisfaction. This has also allowed me to enhance the patient experience in my clinical practice, and this in return increases compliance with the patient and their treatment. So I integrate MLS and Hilterapia in my clinical practice for the treatment of a variety of different conditions. One of the challenging things that we face as physical therapists is in the treatment of injuries is pain, inflammation, the speed at which the patients improve and heal, but also the quality of the tissue healing. MLS Laser obviously provides us a rapid pain relief, a way of modulating the inflammatory response, as well as decreasing the time that it takes the patient to heal. With Hilterapia, this is a deeper treatment where it allows us to target 4 elements, with pain relief, immune and inflammatory modulation, as well as increased speed, but also improved tissue quality. With MLS laser, we can treat tissues that are superficial and medium depth. This allows us to treat conditions such as neck pain, lower back pain, peripheral joint pathologies, and anything that involves the reduction of inflammation, swelling, and just improved tissue healing. So the HIRO TT, this allows us to treat both acute and chronic pathologies. Obviously, it's a deeper penetration or has a deeper therapeutic effect on the tissues. And this I treat for complex musculoskeletal conditions that are not responding to conservative care alone, such as tendinopathies or chronic tendinopathies. I see significant results utilizing the HILT for these conditions because of the speed at which it works and the amount of dosage that we can apply with the device. This obviously also improves the quality of the tissue healing, and so we get a greater pain relief and inflammatory modulation effect. So generally we get really good feedback, usually with immediate sort of outcomes with pain relief and feeling better, as if they've got more range of motion and a whole lot less pain. Long-term effects, there's a greater patient satisfaction, but also we're seeing an improved patient compliance while using the laser device. We're seeing patients and patient retention also increasing within the clinical practice. So innovation, Italian excellence, and safe and effective.
Thank you very much.